Hello, my name is Randy Dobson. I'm an instructor here in the Houston, Texas area, and this video will be covering the dynamic UCS in Autocad for 3D. Uh, in 2D, you have your UCS, your user coordinate system. Where here it's a dynamic, meaning that it can move around. Whereas in a 2D, you don't need the dynamic because everything is on one plane. Whereas with 3D, you've got different planes that you want to work on. And if you've watched some of my other videos, you have to set these planes to work on them. Well, if you're just going to do one thing real quick, uh, you're able to come over here to your customization, make sure that your dynamic UCS is checked, so it's down here, and here make sure it's blue, that it's on. And just like, say, this wedge right here, if I go to draw a cylinder, when I hover over that, that's now making that my working plane. And I click, draw kind of a cylinder. As you can see, it went there. I can do it on this side. Okay, I can wherever I want to go, but understand that it only works when you can pick a surface. See, if I go out here, it's back to my regular plane right here. So it only works when you're up against a surface. Say I could go over here to this pyramid, go off that way, go off that way, and so on. I think you're getting the picture now. And it's a very powerful tool because before that you would actually have to go in and set these planes, which I've talked about in my other videos. But here, if you just want to do one thing, you can use your 3D Osnaps. Let's just and you can snap to the center or whatever you've got for your here's your 3D Osnaps, which will be covered in another video. It's similar to the 2D Osnaps, but for the dynamic UCS, as you can see, and it doesn't matter. I could be wanting to do a box, and I could click there and do a box off of there. Okay, so it allows this to become my active working space, whatever I hover over. Once I start a command, say I've got there, any of these planes, I could spin the view cube around and pick this, pick that, draw a rectangle, and there it's off of there. Draw a box. So it allows you to pick any kind of surface, uh, and allows that to be your working plane. Very nice little tool. Again, make sure that it's on when you go to use it, and you will know it because whenever it's off. If you watch here, if I go to draw a cylinder, as you can see, if I click right here, it's just going to go straight up because it's on this plane right here. Okay, because see, it's not picking that plane. So again, that's the way you would know that it's on or off. And that concludes this quick video on dynamic UCS. Thank you.